Hey everybody, Wes with All Pistons Garage again. Guys, we're going to do an update on the 04 GT right behind me right here. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while. It has the stock exhaust on it. And after a lot of research and watching videos and just kind of being torn back and forth, I finally decided on a muffler. I wanted it to sound better, but I didn't want to get crazy, and I mainly didn't want the drone on the inside. I've always been a Flow Master guy, and they sound great. Flow Masters are great, especially for the, the Fox body sound and all that. But I wanted something a little different. So after much deliberation, let me show you the muffler that I ordered, and hopefully maybe this will help you on your decision down the road, maybe for a muffler or exhaust change. All right, guys, let me show you what I got. All right, guys. We ordered these mufflers from Summit. Guys, I've been using Summit for over 30 years. I mean, Summit's always been great. I'm not sponsored by Summit, but I ordered parts from Summit back long before there was internet. So let's get into what's inside here. All right, guys, here it is. I decided to go with the Flow Master, and this is the FX. I wanted something to give me a little tone, a little depth, but I didn't want the interior drone that you can get with your Flow Master 2-chamber muffler and all that. I run those mufflers for years. I have them actually on the black car now, so I love them. But on this 2004 GT, I wanted something, I didn't want, we're taking long trips. Like we went on sick week, we did the sick ward, put 1,000 miles on it, and I just didn't really want the drone. So we're going to pull this muffler out and show you what it's like. I'm sure you guys have seen these mufflers before. It's not a big deal, but I didn't see a lot of videos online. I mean, there's a lot of videos online with this muffler, but not necessarily, all right, got a Flow Master sticker there, not necessarily my application. So, it's a pretty heavy muffler, and it has sort of the, I don't know if you can see it there, sort of the straight through design. As you can see on the box there, they feel nice. As you see on the box, sort of a straight through design. So hopefully, I'm hoping this muffler will give us some more tone, a little more depth. This is a 2 1/4 because I'm using the stock H pipe that's on the car that come from the factory. This Mustang has the 4 cats on it, but the previous owner said the cats escaped. So the H pipe is pretty free flowing after the cats got away. So with that and these mufflers, it'll all be stock 2.5 exhaust, but I can't wait to get these welded in. I'm going to take the car over to my uncle's, put it on the lift. He's an excellent welder, and I'm getting to weld these things in. All right, this is what they look like before. Let me show you what it looks like after. All right, guys, there they are. Got them in. We got our hangers welded on. Everything's in a good spot. Luckily, these mufflers were like 3 inches shorter, but they put a nice piece on each end. We were able to take a piece of exhaust pipe that slipped over and in and kind of made up the difference, and my uncle welded it up real good. Actually didn't have to do it on this end. We did it on this end. So this end, we just basically cut it, slid it in, and welded it up. But yep, all right, guys, I'm ready to get it down off the rack, and I'll give y'all an after sound. We done it before, and now we'll do an after. All right, guys, here it is. I decided to go with the Flow Master, and this is the 2 1/4 because I'm using the stock H pipe that's on the car that come from the factory. This Mustang has the 4 cats on it, but the previous owner said the cats escaped. So the H pipe is pretty free flowing after the cats got away. So with that and these mufflers, it'll all be stock 2.5 exhaust, but I can't wait to get these welded in. I'm going to take the car over to my uncle's, put it on the lift. He's an excellent welder, and I'm getting to weld these things in. All right, guys, you tell me if you don't mind in the comments. Now, the stock mufflers did not sound bad. They were factory Ford mufflers, what come on the car. And after putting these on, honestly, the stock ones didn't sound bad. But from what I heard, I believe at an idle, it sounded like the Ford stock mufflers were a little louder. On idle with the Flow MasterFXs, they sounded a little quieter. And then when you rev it up, it sounds like the FXs are louder than the stock Ford mufflers. So you guys heard the sound bites there. Tell me what you think. I definitely appreciate your comments. Please let me know. What do you think? I got it right? The stock mufflers louder at idle and the FXs are louder on the revs? Let me know. All right, guys. I hope this video helps you guys. You know, this is a setup with a H-pipe, factory H-pipe, free flowing. All the cats ran out of the house, all 4 of them, and they're gone. So it's the factory H-pipe without the cats, and everything's 2 1/4. Everything else is stock but the FX mufflers. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.